Question number 7A. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all assignments in the PDF and the handwritten form, and the notes is also. So you can contact us on our WhatsApp number for providing notes. So if you need this, contact us anytime. So we will provide accordingly. Question number 6, which is, do you agree that the paying higher than the minimum wages employers can retain skilled workers, increase productivity, or ensure loyalty? Comment on the statement in the light of the effective efficiency wage model. B is, there are two firms, 1 and 2 in the industry, each producing output Q1 and Q2 respectively, and facing the industry demand given by the P equal to 50 minus 2Q, where P is the market price and Q present the total industry output, that is Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2. Assume that the cost function is C, 10 plus 2Q. Solve for the Carnot equilibrium in such an industry. So, if you have other related query related to exam, related to the eligibility criteria, and any other issues, so you can contact us anytime. We will provide all the answers and other queries, so you can. We will provide accordingly on your WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.